Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect your Hostinger domain to Shopify. It's quick and easy, so follow along. Links to try Hostinger and sign up for Shopify will be in the description below. First, log into your Hostinger and Shopify accounts. Once you're logged into Shopify, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Then, scroll down and find Domains. Click on Domains and you'll see a list of any domains connected to your Shopify account. If you're new, you might only see the default Shopify domain. That's perfectly fine. Now, let's connect your Hostinger domain. Click Connect Existing Domain. Shopify will then ask for the domain you want to connect. Head over to your Hostinger account where your domain is listed. Copy your domain name, return to Shopify, and paste it. Click Next. At this point, you'll need to update your DNS records in Hostinger, but don't worry, this is simple. I'll include the exact records you need to add in the description. Go back to Hostinger, find your domain, and click Manage. Then, navigate to DNS name servers and select Manage DNS records. Before adding new records, we need to remove any existing ones. Check if there are any current CNAME or A records. If there are, delete them. Now, we'll add two new records. First, add a CNAME record. For name, type in www. For target, enter shops.myshopify.com and click Add Record. Next, add an A record. For name, type @, and for points to, enter the IP address that I'll include in the description below. Leave the TTL as is and click Add Record. Now that the DNS records are updated, head back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Shopify will check the domain setup. If everything is correct, it will connect your domain. Once your domain is added, click on it and set it as your primary domain. This ensures all traffic goes to the domain you've just connected. To confirm everything is working, copy your domain name, open an incognito window, and paste it in. If done correctly, your domain should redirect to your Shopify store. That's it. You've successfully connected your Hostinger domain to Shopify. Check the links in the description if you want to try Hostinger or sign up for Shopify.